So, да. Ну, я записываю, так что это, в принципе, потому что как мы входим в третий. First of all, select queries. The first task is homework. I will write here basically maybe some notes for you. So basically select queries 111, let's say, and the basic syntax for it is select from table name, and another one is to write to display specific column is following. So basically, if you want to see, it will be shown in this way, like readme. If it's fine, I will submit this way, okay, like just and all the, let's say, maybe queries, okay. So let me start with this one. So first of all, let's have a practice with that. So basically, here we have I will run, and what kind of view I can see. So basically, I will hide sidebar. I think sidebar should be available. I will hide this one, and I will try to hide output array, okay? So basically, what we can do, let me try first statement is, let's say I will just okay, so cool. Right now we are going. Пойдемте дальше, короче. Ну вот, распечаталось. Here we have displayed all the details about our billing, okay? How to write a column, let's say maybe display separate specific columns. We can say, for example, you see it's ругается на lower case, и давайте вот так вот. So right now, my goal is to display specific columns like payer email, recipient email, some. Okay. So here I listed all of them by commas. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. So I will copy and I will write to my VS Code here, and I will give like this one. Task 1 is to write this way, okay? I will just put a comment here. We are displaying emails of payers, recipients, and some, okay? And the SQL statement is shown below, okay? So beautifully, you can Google it like this way. I will push it to Git, and then you can find out it, okay? Let's continue. So basically, we'll try to play with that. For example, payer email, we can check maybe different combinations, okay? And we can check, let's say, currency. Okay, so this is how we are playing with it. So okay, let's try with doing specific. So I will clear my queries, and let's have a little bit more, let's say, complex statement. Like I'll write where, for example, sum is larger than, let's say, 300. Okay, and what we'll Google, we'll find out all the value which is larger than 300, or we can put like 600. You can see, and let's say play with this way. Okay, so how many statements we'll have? Right now we have cleared all the values, and here we have a specific condition, and here we have using certain results, and we are using guys where the sum clause. Okay, so here I will put I will write here task 2. Here I will display, let's say, all, displaying this is a SQL statement which displays, okay, output sums larger than 900. Okay, all sums, I think here is fine. Okay, cool, clear. Okay, so let's continue. We need, okay, I'll leave it. So we can have a different, let's say, combinations. We can write, for example, or sum less than. As you can see, we find sums which is larger than 900 and less than 200. Okay, is it clear? So here we can use and or conditions. I will put here the statement, and I will write here. Okay. Okay, what else we can show us? So we covered like comparison operators. So let's try to play with, for example, specific values. Okay, let's say currency is equal to ENR. As you can see, here I have played with a specific currency, Indian rupee, right? As far as I, okay. And we can write, for example, what kind of. So here we don't have and, okay. So why? You understand, right? The difference between and or, okay? So this example, how we show specific statements. Okay. So, okay, I will write here all currencies equal to Indian rupees and US dollars, right? Okay, so let's continue. So let's try with another one. Let's say sum. I will clear it. Right, like where, maybe where between So this is another example of writing SQL statement between the specific range values, okay? So right now we have within the range of two values inclusive to it. Okay, so let me specifically write like 7. You see it's like 800, and the difference is that this value is also included within this range, okay? So I will also copy this statement, and probably I will add this one here, okay? So last is a SQL statement with, let's say, within range of two values, okay? What else we have? Also, we can write in a way like not between, okay? As you can see, we'll have all values which is not between these values, okay? So using word not, okay? So this is opposite. Okay, so what we can do also, we can also select specific columns, my table, from this table, where, okay, some not, okay, I will not add where mention, I will just add order by column, let's say currency. So right now what we have achieved ordering by currency in ascending order, okay? Is it clear? We can also write this way and we'll have descending order, okay? What else we can have also? Let's try with billing example date. Is it possible to have this way? You can see it is sorted by all this value. Okay. Actually, I can create specific column. Let's say, okay, I will add it to here. And what we can do, I will just put specific condition here where sum is equal to USD. So right now, what I did, I write a specific SQL statement that looks all my Indian rupee currencies and orders it by billing date, okay, from ascending order. I can specifically write, for example, this way, and we'll have a little bit more values here, and I can pay, for example, descending order, okay. And I think it's more than clear. So we've seen like ordering. Derived as SQL statement, ordering by billing, ordering by where currency SQL statements, displaying, okay, ordering United States transactions. So I think, is it clear for you? Okay, so right now I will stop recording.